Hi Texters, welcome back to K2CS. I hope you are enjoying the DSA series. If you haven't watched the videos, I have mentioned the link for the DSA playlist in the description. Go check it out and watch the videos. To take it to the next level, I have come up with pointers. So guys, let's begin. So guys, what is pointer? So pointer is just like any other variable. So when we create variable, like let's say int x, we store some value there. Likewise, when we create pointer, we also store some value there. The difference here is when we create int x, we store some integer values. Here that value would be like here, I mean to say in pointer case that value would be an address of a memory location, obviously. Okay, so let's see an example and try to understand it more. So let's do this, guys. So let's say I'll take an example. If I write here int x equal to 10, so what will happen? A memory would be allocated, name of the memory location would be x, and there would be an address associated with this memory location, right? Let's say that address is 101, okay, and a value 10 would be stored in that memory location. So let's do that. Next, if I write int star p, so what is this? Integer pointer. I've seen, like I've heard many people say this as integer pointer, p is an integer pointer, but don't read in that way, guys. Read in this way. Always read this in this particular way. P is a pointer to integer, okay, because p would hold address of an integer. P is a pointer to an integer. Got it? Okay, don't read it as integer pointer, character pointer, float pointer. No, read it as p is a pointer to integer, p is a pointer to character, p is a pointer to float, kind of this. Okay, so p here is a pointer to integer. That means I will store address of integer in p. So as soon as this code is seen, what will happen? Same as I said, this is just like any other variable. So memory location would be allocated, name of the memory location would be p, there would be some address associated with this memory location. Let's say that is 201. Okay, this is what would be done. Then in the code, what we will do, we'll assign address of x, we'll store address of x in p, right? So we'll write p equal to ampersand x. So ampersand x will give you address of x. What is address of x? 101. So 101 would be stored here, and we say that p is pointing to integer x now. So p is holding address of x. Got it? Okay, so if you now like do this, if you now print x, so what will it will give? It will give the value of x, that is nothing but 10. So now if you print ampersand x, it will give you address of x, that is nothing but 101. Similarly, if you write p, what is p, guys? What is the value of p? Value of x is 10, value of p is 101, which happens to be address of x. So here when you print p, you'll get 101. Got it? And if you write star p, what do you mean by star p, guys? Star p, so p is 101, so star of 101, this is nothing but value stored at memory location 101. What is the value stored at 101? 10. So see here, the memory location 101 contains the value 10, right? So value here would be 10. So this is what you will get as the output if you print x or ampersand x or p or star p. Got it? Let's take this forward to another level. Like okay, we now understood p is a pointer to integer. Got it? Okay, I hope you followed this. Let me know in the comment section if there is an issue with this. Now I'm taking one more pointer like this, star ptr. So there was one star, here 2 star. So what do you mean by this? Okay, so this is nothing but ptr is a pointer to a pointer which is pointing to integer. So ptr is a pointer to a pointer which is pointing to an integer. So it is kind of a double pointer. Okay, and what double pointer does? It will hold address of another pointer which is pointing to integer. Got it? So ptr will hold address of a pointer to an integer. Got it? So what I can do here, I can write ptr equal to ampersand of p. Same thing, what will happen? A memory location would be allocated whose name is ptr, address maybe let's say 301, and the value of ptr would be address of p, that is nothing but 201. So let's store that. Let's store here 201, and we say ptr is pointing to p. Got it? Now let me just draw a line here. Now if you print p, Okay, we have already done this p. Let's print ptr. What is the value of ptr? Value of ptr here stored is 201, so it would give you 201, which happens to be address of p. Got it? So now if you write star of ptr, what is that? Star of ptr means star of 201, because ptr is 201. Value stored at 201. What is the value stored at 201? Just look at the memory location here. At 201, the value stored is 101, so you will get here 101. Got it? Okay, and if you write here star ptr, like we already know what is star ptr is 101, so it is nothing but star of 101, and what it will give? It will give us 10. Value stored at 101, that is nothing but 10. Okay, see here, value stored at 101 is 10. So this is what we will get, guys. So I hope you follow this concept of pointer, and also we have seen here double pointer. So likewise you can extend this up to let's say one more level, like you can create like star q, and you're going to assign address of ptr there. So here q is a pointer to a pointer which is pointing, like basically q is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to an integer. This is what I mean to say. Okay, so q will hold address of a double pointer. So here double ptr is a double pointer, so we can store address of ptr in q. Okay, same thing you can access in the same way. So this would be q, and you can, let's say address of q is 401, and you can just store address of ptr here, that is 301, and we say that this q is pointing to ptr. And if you want to access the value of x through q, you just have to print star q. It will give you the value stored at x. Why? Q is nothing but 301. Star of 301 is 201. Star of 201 is 101, and star of 101 is 10 finally. So this is how you access value through pointers. Okay, so guys, I hope you followed the concept of pointer. Let me in the comment section if you followed it. Okay, let us take one more example to have more clarity on this topic. Let's see this. I'll just clear this off. Okay, so here I have a variable, basically not one variable, I'll have two variables. Let's say a, whose initial value is 0, and b, whose initial value is also 0. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to create pointers for these respective variables. Let's say x, which will store address of a, and let's say y, which will store address of b. Okay, let's do the memory part. Let's draw the memory part here. So here we have a variable a whose address is, let's say 101, and there is a memory location for b whose address is, let's say 201, and the values stored in a and b are 0 and 0 respectively. And also we need to create these pointers x and y, right? So this is, let's say x, and this is, let's say y. Just to differentiate, I'll just write here star. Just denote that x and y are pointers. Got it? So x and y are pointers. In x, what we would store? Address of a, that is 101, and in y we will store address of b, that is 201. So we say x is pointing to a and y is pointing to b. The next statement what I want to do here is I'll write here x equal to y. Okay, I'll write x equal to y, and then what I'll do is star y equal to 2. I'll store 2 in star y, and then I just want to print the value of these two variables, that is a and b. That's what I want to do. So the question here would be, what would be the output of a and b? Okay, I have like almost solved this question, like I have explained half of the thing. So I think you can answer this. So put your answers in the comment section. Pause the video, put your answers in the comment section. Meanwhile, I will discuss on. You pause the video and post your answers in the comment section. Okay, so see this, guys, how it be done, or what is being done here. So x equal to y, so we are assigning value of y in x. So what is value of y? 201. That would be stored in x. So now the value of x would get changed. X will not hold 101 anymore. Now x will hold 201, and now we say that x is not pointing to a anymore, rather it is pointing to b now. Understood? Okay, then what we are doing, star y equal to 2. What is star of y? Star y means value of b, right? Y is 201, star of 201 is the value stored at 201, that is this position. So it is 0 now, but you are now assigning 2 to that position. So this value would also get replaced. This 0 would be removed and or would be replaced or would be overwritten by the value 2. Now new value of b is 2. Okay, then after this you are just printing the value of a and b. What is a? 0. Still it is still 0, right? And b value is 2. So the output you would get is 0 and 2. Okay, so this was a simple example to help you understand the concept of pointers. I hope you followed this, guys. So one more thing I want to cover here, guys, just a simple example. Let's see whether you can answer this. I have here, let's say, a pointer to integer p, and then I have char star q, then I have, let's say, float star r, and let's say I have here struct student star s. Okay, what is this struct student? So for example, struct student is a structure which contains this, let's say, one is roll number and one more is, let's say, float marks, right? This is the structure, for example. So I've created a structure pointer here, then I have created here, like you can okay, we'll not read it as structure pointer. S is a pointer to structure, R is a pointer to float, Q is a pointer to character, and P is a pointer to integer. Okay, what I want to do is, if we will print size of P, okay, then size of Q, then size of R, and also if we print size of S, what would be the output here? Okay, pause the video and post your answers in the comment section. Okay, most of you would like answer in this way. Size of P would give you okay, 4 bytes considering 64-bit system. Size of Q would be 1 byte, as it is a character kind of pointer, you would say, but that is not correct, guys. Okay, size of pointer would be same whatever pointer you create. Like if you create pointer to integer, or if you create pointer to character, or if you create pointer to float, or pointer to structure, size of pointer will not change. It would remain same because pointer would always store an address. Okay, pointer would always store an address. So address is a fixed thing. Okay, if you have a 32-bit system, it would be 32-bit long. If you have a 64-bit system, it would be 64-bit long. So address is fixed. It is an unsigned integer, unsigned long integer. Okay, so size of pointer will not change. Okay, so just keep this in your mind. If you have a 64-bit system, let's say we are talking about 64-bit system, so every one would give you 64-bit, that is nothing but 8 bytes. So 8 byte is the answer you'll get for all of this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you want to be on the same page on our next live session on Sunday 7:30 p.m. which would be on dynamic memory allocation, this video is what you need to watch before the session. Share the video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to get notified before the live session. Kill the bias, upskill with Key2CS.